Minister of Health Dr. Frank Anthony, during his daily COVID-19 update on Tuesday, announced that the Health Ministry, as part of its series of engagements with relevant stakeholders, will be hosting a media sensitization workshop to enable media workers to better understand and provide clear and accurate information when reporting on monkeypox.
The intention of it is to give people a very factual presentation on what is happening with monkeypox globally. What are the causes of monkeypox, how it's transmitted, what are the clinical signs and symptoms.
Additionally, the workshop slated for Friday is expected to provide improved sensitivity to media operatives as it relates to responsible media coverage as well as relevant information on specific events and situations concerning the virus.
How it can affect the program if we have irresponsible reporting. So I think it would be a good interactive session for everyone.
Technical healthcare workers within the Ministry of Health will be facilitating the workshop, which the minister encouraged the media practitioners to take full advantage of. Meanwhile, providing an update on the 2 local monkeypox cases, the minister noted that they are still isolated at the Infectious Diseases Hospital at Liliandale, Georgetown. He also revealed that they are not related in any way.
They are both at the Ocean View Hospital, and they're there receiving treatment. Both of them are stable, and so we'll continue to monitor them, and at the appropriate time we'll be able to discharge them.
Last week, Guyana confirmed its index monkeypox case in a 57-year-old man of Region 4, while on Monday, a second case, a woman in her 30s, was reported. Reporting for HB90 News, Vogt.